Crypto Comeback 2025: How Digital Currency is Shaping the New Financial Era. After years of volatility, regulatory scrutiny, and public skepticism, cryptocurrencies are entering a new golden age in 2025. The collapse of multiple centralized exchanges in the early 2020s gave rise to a more mature, decentralized, and transparent ecosystem. Now, major institutions, sovereign nations, and everyday investors are embracing blockchain-backed assets not as speculative tokens, but as a cornerstone of next-gen finance. This shift is not just about price recovery, it's about reinvention. Bitcoin has evolved from being digital gold to a programmable asset used in sovereign wealth diversification. Ethereum, after its full transition to proof of stake and multiple Layer 2 scaling integrations, is powering global DeFi platforms that offer fairer, faster alternatives to traditional banking. Real-world assets, RWAs, including real estate, commodities, and even intellectual property, are being tokenized at unprecedented rates. This is no longer about betting on coins. This is the financial internet growing up. Driving this resurgence is a combination of technological innovation and macroeconomic necessity. Inflationary fears, debt ceilings, and declining faith in fiat currencies have forced policymakers to reconsider how money works. In 2025, at least 10 countries have officially launched central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and dozens more are piloting them. But this is not crowding out private cryptos, it's legitimizing them. Interoperability protocols now allow users to seamlessly move between CBDCs and decentralized assets, blurring the lines between public and private money. The new financial landscape is hybrid, programmable, and permissionless. Another key force behind the crypto comeback is the explosion of AI-driven investment strategies within blockchain ecosystems. Predictive models trained on public transaction data are enabling traders to identify patterns, execute strategies, and minimize risk like never before. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, are using AI to vote on treasury allocations, automate governance, and optimize community incentives. This combination of artificial intelligence and blockchain is creating a new financial intelligence layer, unlocking massive value while minimizing human error. Yet perhaps the most revolutionary change in 2025 is cultural. Crypto is no longer the domain of libertarian coders and risk-hungry investors. Artists, climate activists, small business owners, and even religious institutions are integrating blockchain into their daily operations. Creators are launching NFT collections that fund social justice causes with zero middlemen. Microfinance DAOs are offering peer-to-peer loans across borders, with repayment tracked on-chain. Crypto isn't just about money anymore, it's about meaning. This new wave of adoption is being amplified by compelling visual design and storytelling. Fire-style posters flood online spaces, depicting dramatic transformations, cities built with tokenized bonds, solar farms funded by DeFi, digital IDs secured by zero-knowledge proofs. These images, powered by generative AI tools, aren't just illustrations, they're manifestos. They encapsulate a future that feels both radical and real. And it's not stopping here. With the maturation of cross-chain protocols, users can now interact with dozens of blockchains from a single interface. Privacy coins, once seen as a liability, are being reimagined as tools for secure communications and business deals. Governments are setting up blockchain transparency portals for budget tracking. In 2025, crypto isn't a gamble. It's an infrastructure. A decentralized, AI-enhanced, hypervisual infrastructure designed for a digitally native world.